subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Lenovo-owned Motorola launched its new affordable G series phone in India called Moto G13 with quite premium looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G13 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is protected by Panda glass on the top. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 M2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G13 supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistant. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.7 by 74.66 by 8.19mm, and it weighs around 170 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of the smartphone. The Moto G13 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 9,499 rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 9,999 rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 5th in matte charcoal and lavender blue color option. So what do you guys think of this Moto G13 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.